Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Sam! Yay!
Lexi, kiss ate. It's her birthday.
Ang bilis mo, nag-vlog
Si Lexi naman.
Nababaing ayaw magpa-video. Okay, wag na. Bakit? For memories nga eh.
Sit down. Sit down.
Lexi, what's your wish for ate?
My wish Ate Sap is I love Ate Sap and I give Ate Sap a gift.
What's your gift for ate?
My melody
What's your wish for ate?
cake. I love her so much.
Kiss her. I didn't kiss her. I didn't see you. Did you kiss her?
Oh,
Ate, kikis ka daw niya.
masyado.
Oh, yan na siya. Oh.
Eh, para saan yun?
One more. Hindi
May mga
magtugmay.
petals.
Oh, kiss ka daw niya, ate. Oh. Mahal kita, ate.
Mahal kita Ate Sap.
Your ate doesn't want to go out. She just wants that pistachio cake. She doesn't want to eat outside. Why is she like that?
Why?
You ask her. It's your birthday. Why don't you want to enjoy?
Why did you don't like to enjoy?
Happy birthday, Ate Sab. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy birthday, Ate Sab. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy birthday, Ate Sab. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy birthday, Ate Sab. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Baboy ng liig. Bugi yan. Labas dimples naman yan. 1, 2. 1, 2.